Welcome everybody to another 360 adventure. This time, we're at Disney World's Winter Summerland Mini Golf. And now for some family rules. The winner of each hole gets 1 point. No points are given if the hole is tied. The person with the most points wins. Plus, we have a couple other rules, but we won't get into that. As of now, here is the score. Now let's get into it.
I don't know where this goes, but...
That goes in. Holy cow, that was rough. Here's your email.
Built on my way to Summerland. After all, I am a big
Here's a big kahuna.
What's your
I like to keep it oh, you're right, because that was one thing.
good? Well, yeah, speaking of good, I was just making a list expecting it right.
No, we're gonna keep it.
Very nice. Keep up the good work. I'll be seeing you again.
My email. Joey.
Hey, I have a break. Good spot. Oh, John, if I ever saw one.
It's always there. Art mix.
You're never gonna figure out your email.
There you go. What's your email? What's her email?
Please, what's your email?
What's your club?
I must say, that was an excellent spot for such a warm day. Wouldn't you say so, Frosty?
Oh, Frosty Nelson. Wow, that was authority. And her email is?
It may be rainy here in Florida, but you still made a great shot. You had a whole lot of fun.
Got hold of one.
Yeah, all right. And that was Florida Mini Golf. Mom wins. Mom's the big winner again.
Bye.